Welcome, everyone. Welcome to the live today. This is a new time. It started because of all of you, because you all have started your school now. I'm fine. I'm having this live today on Facebook also because I just wanted to tell all the parents and all the members and the kids that the new time for Facebook Live and YouTube Live from this week and next week is 6 o'clock in the evening now. We have changed the time so that all of you have started your school or will be starting your school from tomorrow. I wish all of you good luck for your new year. All of you must be going to the new year groups now. Good luck to all of you for tomorrow if your schools are starting. Is the same person, okay? I can see there are little less kids on Facebook now. I say hi to you guys. Breathe hi. Abraham is here. Preet is there. Kate is there. So I wish you guys good luck for tomorrow. Vivek, you're going to school tomorrow. Good luck to you also. Ishan, okay, got it. I can't see Yashmi right now. So I say hi to all of you. And today we'll be doing maths for you all. And Shaurya, yeah. How can I forget Shaurya? Thanks, guys, for coming today. It was really nice to have. I saw Oliver a couple of minutes back. Maybe he's gone now. Oliver had just joined. You're going. Okay. Hi, Pankri. Pankri, have you started your school now? I really want to wish all of you good luck for your school. All of you will be starting your school tomorrow, maybe. Oliver, yeah, here he is. See, I said I saw Oliver before. I'm here. Oliver doesn't like coming near the camera, right? I can't forget the live when we had. Oliver was like, oh, I don't want to show myself in the camera. Please. And he was hiding his face. You're going tomorrow. Good luck, everyone, for your school tomorrow. Don't get scared. Just obey what your teachers tell. All of you will be fine. And let me know how your school is. How was your first day? Just let me know, all of you. So we'll be doing maths today. And I want Preet and Pankri to try doing that with me now. Pankri, concentrate now. You want to? Okay. Should I start sharing my screen now so all of you can start doing maths? So let me share my screen. After I share my screen, you won't be able to see me as it is. You all will only be able to see the screen. So let's start doing maths now. I'll zoom in for you guys so you can see it a little better. I think so I zoomed in a lot. So let's start doing it. Maybe wait for more people. Don't worry. We also need to get started. And everybody will come because I have also wrote in Facebook that we have starting. So you don't have to worry about that. So let's start doing it. The first one is Megan likes honey but not jam. How many of you like honey or not jam? Elfie likes honey and jam. Jane does not like honey or jam. Donna only likes jam. Write the journal's name in the correct path of sorting diagram. So I'll show you the diagram. Just read the question for me, all of you, for a minute. And after you do that, I will tell you the answer. Do you like both? That's good if you like both. So let's start doing the ones. Have you, if you guys have read it, I'll go down because we need to write who likes jam and who doesn't like jam and honey, things like that. So if you have read the question, I can go and move on because we need to write the kid's name. Who likes what? So let's do it now. Write the name in the correct part of the diagram. So who likes jam, likes honey, does not like honey, does not like jam. If you want to read it, this is the diagram. You need to tell me where should I put the names. And this is the first one. I have read the question. That's good. You have. Alfie likes both. He goes in honey and jam. Okay. According to Vivek, Alfie goes in both. Try reading it again. What they are saying. Likes honey, Megan, Alpha like jam, cookie. Honey, Megan, Alpha likes. What they are saying, remember when you have something like that, the first thing for you guys is to write making a chart. They tell you that Megan likes honey, she likes honey but doesn't like jam. Yeah. And another thing what they are telling you that Alfie likes honey and jam. Alfie likes honey and jam, he likes both, and Donna only likes jam. But what they're asking you to write down is they are saying likes jam and likes honey, does not like honey, does not like jam, and does not like jam. So what we will put, let's take up a pencil for you guys. I'm waiting for you all to give me the answer. According to Preet, Elfie should go in like honey and jam. Okay. That's fine. I can see that you guys are telling me. What about Megan? Where should Megan go? What about Megan? Where should Megan go? Likes honey. Megan likes jam. Donna, Alfie, Jen hates everything. Okay. So I'm writing the answer. Tell me which one of you wrote that. So Elfie would come here. I'll write AL for Elfie will come here. And Donna will come here. And then down here I will write Megan. ME will be for Megan. And CHEN is for Jen. Did you get this answer? That was your answer for the first one. Just check your answers, all of you. We got it right or you got it wrong. Then we can move on to the next one. So this was the answer for the first one. Let's do the next one. I'm going to zoom in for you guys so you can see it. That's an easy one. Circle the number closest to 500. So you just need to circle the number which is closest to 500. So which one you think I should circle in this one? That's fine. Ishan got it right. It's 491. You will do it. 491. That was an easy one. So try doing the next one. I'll write the answer here. The answer for the second one was 491. And then is a little calculation for you guys. Try doing the calculation. Calculate 735 plus 2669 and tell me what the answer is. Shaurya got it right. Ishan got it right. So The answer is 3404. Well, you know, guys, what we're doing? You're doing the SATs paper of 2005, I think so. So you guys are really, really clever for doing the SATs paper. So the answer, when you add them up, you get is 3404. That's your answer. Good, everyone. Let's see. Remember, in SATs, what we do it in, we'll need to go to the other page. In SATs also, the first ones, as you in your 11 plus, the first questions are really easy and then you get to the hard ones. So in this one, draw the line of symmetry. They are telling you that there are three square tiles have symmetrical patterns on them. Draw the line of symmetry on each line. Use a ruler. So you basically, I'll do this for you guys because you can't do it. So you know what line of symmetry is. You just need to take your ruler and then the first one would be like this. Second one would be like this and the third one would be like this. If you had the piece of paper, you all would have done it this way. So we can move on to the next one. I just want to tell you what a line of symmetry means. You have to do it this way when you have anything in 11 plus which asks you a line of symmetry. Basically, this is how you do it. So I'll move on to the next one now. Number 5 now. So I'll give you a minute to read the question for number 5 and then answer it for me. Number 5 is asking you is, I'll zoom in a little bit, I think so you guys can't see it. It says that Helm hires bike, he has to return by 3. The time is 2:25 p.m. How minutes has he got left? That was an easy one. All of you can do it. Yes, you're right. It's 35 minutes. That's really easy. So the answer for number 1, the fifth one, would be only 35 minutes. And let's move the next one. What they're asking you. Oh, what did I do? I'll just write 35 here for you guys. And the next one, what they're asking you, Emmy hires a bike for 45 minutes. She hires the bike for 45 minutes. She takes the bike out at 3:30. At what time must she return the bike? Remember, she has only got the bike for 45 minutes, not more than that. So what time should she return the bike at? Pankri, try doing it again. Now you got it right. It's 4:15. So she has to return the bike by 4:15. That was again an easy one for all of you. Let's see the next one. Number 6 now. Read the question for me for a minute. Just try reading it. They are telling you is in this diagram, the numbers in the triangle add together to make the number in the circle. So when you add them, you get the number in the circle. So if you add them 10 plus 15, you get 25. And when you less, you get 19. So the number in the square is 6 less than the number in the circles. When you have read it, tell me. I'll show you what the question is asking you guys to do now. So let's see what they're asking us now. All of you have read it. So in this one, you have to do it exactly the same way like the first one. Write the 4 missing numbers in these diagrams. Think about a minute. What numbers should you be writing here? You add something in 8, that gives you 32. You add something in 30, that gives you, I don't know what, it's missing. And when you less 6 in 32, you need to get something there. Less 6, you get 85. So tell me, what should I write it there? Let's see if you guys do it properly now. 16 and no, Pankri, your answer. I think so. Preet was the one who got it right. 32 and I'll go with the one with Preet. That's the answer for the first one. Preet has got. Well done, Preet. So the first one is you need 24 on the first one and 26. I'll tell you what she's done. So 24 will be here and 26 will be here. That's for the first one. What about the next one? Anyone for the next one? Remember, when you need to add, you need to get the same, and when you minus, you need to get the same. So you have to tell me what you need for the first, for the second one. Now we did the first one. 91 and good. Gali got it right. It's 61 and 91. Well done. That's the right one. So you have 91 here and you have 61 here. You can double check also to see if your answer is right or it's wrong. Double check and see. You will get your answer is right then. Did you guys double check? So let's move on to the next one. If you guys are ready, did you check your answers? It's right or it's wrong? Well done everyone for trying this. So we can move on to the next one now. Number 7 now. I will zoom in for you guys. Now you have the sequences coming. You guys have done so many sequences. So this sequence would be really easy for you guys. They are saying that the number in the sequence increases by 30 each time. So the difference between 20 and 50 is 30. 50 to 80 is 30. And 80 to 110 is also 30. Now what they're asking you is which number in the sequence will be closest to 300. So you need to tell me that now. $290. All of you are giving me the answer for $290. Let me just check out the answer. No, $290 is not the answer what they have given here. Have another guess, all of you. Yes, I got the right answer for. That's the right answer. Well done, Tahara. It's not 300. The answer is 320 and 310. The answer is 320 and 310. Amrita got it right. 320 and 310 is your right answer, because when you do it, two marks for the correct answer of 290. Oh yes, I'm sorry, I wrote that too. Yeah, you wrote that too. They are saying that about 2 marks for the correct answer of 290 is the correct answer. All of you are right. I wrote it wrong. Sorry about that. 290 is the correct answer. They are saying that why it's 290, because if you look at the sequence, it will go that 110, 140, 140, 200, 230, 260, 290. So that's why your answer would be 290. So you guys were right. So let's move on to the next one. I'll write it down here for you. Because if you move on, it'll be 110, then it'll be 140, and then it will be 170. It'll keep on going like that. Then it'll be 200, then it'll be 230, then it'll be 260, 290, because they asked us we need close to 300, and if you look at close to 300, it's 290. That's your answer, because the next one would be 320. So the answer was 290, not what we guys thought. I thought before. That was a wrong one. So the answer is 290, because you need the closest to 300. And the closest to 300 after 320 is 290. That's why. So let's move on to the next one now. That's an easy one now. Remember, both the sides again need to have the same one. So you need to do 150 minus what gives you 87. And 90 multiplied by what gives you 450. I'll give you guys a minute. The best way of doing this one is you can minus 150 minus 87 to get your answer for the first one. I've given you guys little hint for the answer. Good. So the answer is 63 for the first one. And what do you multiply by 90 to give you 450? Another way of doing is think about the nines table. In nines table, when you guys get 445 and then add a 0 in the end. And try giving me the answer. I'm looking that there's someone like gaming or something is not doing the work, and just write it down. Ishita, can you just time him out please for me? The Mac Gaming, whatever the name is. So we got the answer for both of them now. So the first one is 63. Oh, sorry, 63. I'll just write it properly for you guys. And the next one is only 5. So let's move on to the next one now. Right, Vivek, you got it right. That's the one. Preet has also got it right. That's good. So let's move on to the next one now. Let's do this one now. I'll give you a minute to look at the chart. They are saying that they are. I'll zoom in because I think some of you can't see it. So let's zoom in a little bit for you guys. I'll zoom out a little bit. It's too much zoom. Yeah, that's better. So they are telling you basically 6 classes at a primary school collected some money. The chart shows how much money the boys and girls collect. So I'll show you. Wait for the question before you guys try doing. So this is the money each one have collected. In class 4, how much more money did the girls collect than the boys? So what is boys? This one here, the darker one is girls and the lighter one is boys. So if you look at this one, you guys are only looking at this one, class 4. So we are looking at this one, quing, and this one here. So give me your answer now. I've done something easy for you guys. The next they're asking you, how much more money did the girls collect than boys? All of you are giving me the right answer. That's good. It's 7. It's 7 pounds. Let's ask another. They're asking you something else also now. Let's remove the rest. I'll show you the chart again. Another thing what they're asking you is how many classes collected more than 30 pounds. So you need to think how many classes collected more than 30 pounds. The pie chart is again here for you. Think about your answer and then tell me. You need to know how many classes collected more than 30 pounds. More than 30 pounds or... Yeah, collected more than 30 pounds. So you need to say how many classes collected more than 30 pounds, and here is your so try thinking about this. I'll give you guys a minute. Think how many classes collected more than 30 pounds. Chia, you got it right. There are 4. Vivek has also got it right. Pankri got it right. All of you got it right. So the answer is 4. So 4 classes collected more than 30 pounds. Well done, everyone. So let's move on to the next one now. I'll zoom in again for you guys. Keep looking at this one now. What they're telling you is that a shop sells pair of socks, knee socks, ankle socks, trainer socks. One pair is for £5.45. 3 pair is for £7 50. 5 pair is for £8 50. Christy buys 1 pair of knee socks and 3 pair of ankle socks. She pays with £20 note. How much change she gets? How many questions? Sure, I don't know. I have not seen it. So when it's time, we'll stop doing it. Don't worry about that. Just concentrate a little bit more and try doing this one for me now. So they have £20. Oh, sorry, Manish. So she pays with £20 note. So she has £20 note and see what happens, how much change she gets. Hi, Holly. It's good to see you after so long. Good. Katie got it right. Vivek, I didn't get your answer. I just got 05 something. Veni got it right. Amrita got it right. So you just need to add all of them and subtract it by 20, and then you'll come to know how much it's left. So what's left is £7 5. So we are adding 5.45 and these two together, and then whatever is left with us, the change, we just need to do that. It's £7 and 5 pence. Oh, where's my dollar sign gone? £7 5 pence is your answer. So let's move on to the next one now. Yeah, that's the next one. So let me zoom in. In this, they are just asking you, there's a point in number line. What is the value x? So you just need to tell me what is the value of x. What is this here? That's an easy one. You guys can do it in a minute because all of you are really, really clever. So you need to tell me the value of x. All of you got it. That's right. It's 125 is the value of x. So value of x is, what's the value of y now? You guys told me the what x is. I'm just using my rubber. So look at y and tell me what y is, then I'll write both of them. What is the value of y? X is 120 and y is, well done, Vivek. It's minus 75. Katie got it right. It's minus 75. Remember your signs, all of you. Otherwise, you'll get it wrong in your 11 plus. It's minus 75. So let me write down the answers for you guys. The first one was 125. And the next one was minus 75. So let's move on to the next one now. You can't do that, I think so. I'll leave this one because you need a scale and things like that. So let's do this one. Okay. In this one, I'll tell you how would we do it. I'll just do it for you guys. In this, they are saying that there is a hexagon. Draw two straight lines across the each hexagon. There's a straight line across the hexagon to make two triangles and two. So we basically what you will do in this one, if you have something like this in your 11 plus, you will just draw a line. You will draw the first line will be like this, and your second line would be like this. That's it. And whatever they're asking you, you did that. That was an easy one. And there are two ways of doing this. You could do this way, or you could do the other way. The other way is doing crisscross. One from here and one from here. So these are the two ways you could do it. So we'll move on to the next one now. Number 15 now. Oh, number 15 is gone. Here you go. Try doing number 15 now. What 1 minus 2, what gives you 34? That's it. Nice one now. So what would you do? Give me the answer for this one. What in 1 minus what in 2 gives you guys 34? What in 1, what in 2 gives you? Pankri, don't start again, please. Try giving me the answer for the first one. Oliver has given me the answer. It's 6 and 7. 61 minus 27 gives you guys 34. So it's 61 minus 27 gives you 34. These are easy ones. All of you can get really good marks when you try getting these ones right. So let's move on to the next one now. Who loves coins question? Here's one for you guys. I'll zoom in for you guys a little bit. Now you can see it properly and try doing it now. So the next one is Liam has 5 coins. 3 of the coins add up to 30p and 3 of the coins add up to 40p. All the coins add up to £1. Remember, all the coins add up to £1. What are the coins that Liam has? So you need to tell me what the coins he has. Remember, it need to be added up to £1. I'm waiting for you guys to give me the answer for this one. Waiting for numbers. 16 now, and I'm waiting for someone to give me the answer. Remember, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blanks. So you need to have 5 coins in that. You can't just have 3 coins to make £1. If you're doing that, your answer is wrong. Any 25, 5, 20, 50. Yeah, all of you are doing it right. Or you could do another way, what they have given here. You can use as many you can, but remember, your total should come up to £1. 50p, 20p, 10p, 10p, and 10p. So you could do any way you want. And remember, another thing, what you guys didn't make up, what you wrote is three of the coins add up to 30p. So you should have three coins, which total they add up to 30p. What you guys are giving me, your total doesn't add up to 30p. Breathe. Your total doesn't add up to 30p. So this is the way you guys would have gone. I'm just looking. They are saying three of the coins add up to 30p, three of the coins add up to 40p. What you guys are giving, you should remember to read other things about the question also. They are asking you there are three coins which add up to 40p and three add up to 30p. So this is something what you guys are giving me, it's not doing that. That's why. Pankri, now you got it right. So let's move on to the next one now. Try looking at this chart shows the population of Cornwall from 1950 to 2010. That's the population. Just try looking at the population for a minute, all of you. Then I'll ask you what they're asking you. Okay, have you read the population? Let's do the next one now. After reading the population, what they're asking you now is which year, in which year did the population first reach 400000? Let's see which year. Now look at the chart and tell me which year you think it reached. It cannot be 1970. Try doing it again. Yes, it's 1975. It can be anything between 1974 to 1976. If you guys are giving me the answer from 1974 to 1976, your answer would be right. So it could be anything. It could be from the answer for this one could be from, I'll just go a little up so you guys can see the next one. I'll write the answer for this one. It could be from 1974 to 1976. I'm getting the chart back. The next thing what they're asking you is, they're asking you how much did the population increase from 1950 to 2000. So you need to think when the population increased from 1950 to 2000. And look at the chart now and try giving me the answer for the second one, all of you now. Try giving me the answer for the next one, all of you. $200, okay. Look what they're asking you now. They are asking you, we have to read the question really, really carefully. They're asking you, how did the population increase from 1950? I'll make a circle. 1950 to 2000 from here. How much did the population increase? So you need to see how much has the population increased from 1950 to 2000. That's what they're asking you. For this one, look at the chart now and see. So you're going from 1950 to it's going up, up. How much is it increased? I'm looking at somebody's giving me. Yes, you can do it between, yeah. It's from 130,000 to 18,000. If you wrote that, your answer would be right. You will get a point for that. And the next one, what they're asking you is now, remember the third one, we did the first two. The third one, they're asking you, what was the population in 2010? So I'll get the chart again back. So you're looking at the population in 2010 and tell me what you think the answer is in 2010. So we need to know what the population is in 2010. You got? Yes, you can write it between the answer in 2010 would be between it's 51 to 555. That you could write that also. So we did all of them now. So the first one you guys did was 195 to 196 was the first one. And the next one could be anything between 130 and the third one was anything between 1, 2. So let's move on to the next one now. Let's move on to the next one. That's an easy one. You need to calculate 55% of 640. So you just need to do 55% of 640. Let's see who gets that. $352. Katie got it right. That's an easy one. I can't see the messages on YouTube, but I'm looking on my phone. So give me a little while to do that. All of you got it right. That's easy. In this, you're just doing 55 by 100 multiplied by 640 If I were you, I would take the 0 and 0 away and try to simplify that little more. And my answer for that would be what you guys just told me, 352. That's my answer. Good. So let's move on to the next one now. Let's see how many of you will do this one right. I'll remove this for you guys. I'll give you a minute to read it and then tell me the answer. They're asking you, this is Christie's recipe or breakfast cereal. How many of you like cereal? This one is for you guys. 50 grams of oat, 30 grams of raisins, 40 grams of nuts. If she uses 125 grams of oats, how many grams of raisins does she need? So you need to find out how many she needs raisins. Try doing this one. Oh, Pankri is very fast in this one. The answer is 75. Yes, that's right. You just know that 50 oat is 30, and then you just need to get your answer. Gia, it's not 105, that's wrong. What they're asking you, she has uses 125 grams of oats. How many gram raisins does she need? So answer is 75 for this one. You just need to do 125 divided by 50 is 2.5. And what you are doing is wrong. You must have multiplied 2.5 into 30. That's wrong. And you just need to do it. 50 oat is 50 gram oat, 25 oat. Then you need to see what it is divided and multiplied, and then you get your answer. So the answer is for this one is only, it's 75. So let's move on to the next one. Now Gia got the answer right. It's 75 because you must have not read that she uses 125 grams of oat. So let's move on to the next one. I'll stop at 7. So don't worry about that. Let me see this one down. No, we are on the next page now. Let's see who does this angles. Who loves to do angles now? Look at the rectangle now. And they're asking you, do not measure, calculate the size of angle A and B. So you need to calculate the size of angle A and B. I can see Ashmi is here and Maya just joined. Welcome to both of you. You need to work out the angle A and then angle B. Let's see who gives me the right answer. Angle B, you have got it. It's right. It's 34. What about angle A? Shaurya got it right, 56 and 34. Good. So we got the answer for both the angles. Angle A is 56 and angle B is 34. So we know that this one and this one would be equal. So this is 34. And this one, this is 90 degrees. This is 34. 90 plus 34. You'll minus and you'll get your other one. And then that's 56. So we got both the angles now. There are 25 questions in this one. If you want, we can 24. There are only 3 more left. We can finish that. So we'll be done with the paper. It'll take you guys little more time than 7 to finish it. We can, if you can hurry up, we can do it fast. There are only 24 in this. This is the easy one. Try doing this one. The difference between the two numbers is 2. When each number is rounded to the nearest 100, the difference between them is 100. Write down the two numbers could be. So try writing what the two numbers are now. Two numbers, what they are saying, the difference between the number is 2. So what the difference is, the number is 2. And when each number is rounded to the nearest 100, the difference between them is 100. So what do you think the numbers is? Let me see if somebody can give me the answer for this one. Not 49 and 51. Pankuru, you're really, really close. 50 and really, really close. Try doing it little bit again. You'll get your answer. Pankri is getting the closest answer. Shaurya, I think so. Shaurya has got the answer. It's 48 and 50. Well done to Shaurya to getting the right answer. The right answer for this one is 48 and 50. Well done to Shaurya. Let's move on to 22 now. Look at the cube now. What they're asking you guys is, basically they're asking you, the shape is made of the wooden centimeter cubes. How many more centimeter cubes are needed to make it into a solid cuboid 3 centimeters tall and 5 centimeters long and 5 centimeters wide? So what do you think? So basically they're asking you how many more centimeters cubes are needed to make into the solid cuboid. With this one, how many you need for making a solid cuboid? Pankri, you're again very close. Try doing it again for me. She'll get the answer. It's not 35. It's very, very close. You're very, very close. I can say that. It's not 40. Anybody else with a different answer? It's not 40. Sure has got 41. That's also not right. Okay, let me give you guys the right answer. The right answer for this one is 38. I got the answer from Facebook. Facebook's the children in Facebook are giving me the right answer. The answer for this one is 38. You have to think about all the sides of the cuboid. You were missing one side, maybe. That's why your answers were very close, all of you. So, two more left now. Let's go on 23 now. You also give the right answer. Yes, Rishik, you must have. I didn't see it. Try doing 23, then 24, then we are done for today. I love these ones. You don't have to give me the reason, just tell me yes or no. There are two more questions left. This is the second last, and you have one more after that. When you multiply two numbers together, the answer is always greater than either of the numbers you started with. Is Elfie correct or wrong? Just tell me yes or no for this one. So what do you think, Elfie, is right or wrong? You think is right? I think so. It's no, it's wrong. Because it does not work when one of the number is 1. 1 multiplied by 99 is 99 and 99 is not less than 99. So he is not. Elfie is incorrect. He is basically incorrect. Yes, Shaurya has got it right. Because 1 is to 1. Or you can do it 1 multiplied by 99 is 99. So let's go on with for the last one for today for all of you. And this is the last one for today. Let's see who gives me the right answer for the last one. A shop sells fruits. Jen buys 2 apples and 3 bananas. He pays £2.35. Megan buys 2 apples and 1 banana. She pays £1.25. How much does 1 banana cost? So you need to find out the cost of 1 banana. That's an easy one, and that's your last one for today. No, Rishik, that's not the right answer. Pankri, try doing it again. I'm waiting for someone to give me the right answer. I need the right answer for this one. Who can give me the right answer? That will be the end for today. Pankri is not 25. How much does 1 banana cost? And I got the answer from Facebook now. It's 55p. Well done. That's the right answer. It's 55p. Again, you have to think what they're asking you. They are saying Jen buys 2 apples and 3 bananas. So he buys 2 apples and 3 bananas and he pays £2.35. And Megan buys 2 apples and 1 banana. So you need to find the price of 2 apples first, and then you will be able to find the price of 1 banana after that. So it's 55p. So the answer for this one, the last one, is 55p. And you could also do it. You could divide 125 by 2 and find the price of 2 apples first, and then automatically you'll be able to find the price of 1 banana. Good, guys. So we are done. I'll stop sharing my screen now. Let me stop sharing the screen. Well done, everyone. You have done the paper now. It was very nice to have all of you back again today. And I wish to see you guys back again whenever we have the live. I'll try doing it tomorrow. If I can't do it tomorrow, I'll try doing it on Monday for you guys. And remember, you have another challenge coming up. Another challenge for you guys is on a Friday. That's the English challenge. I've never done an English one. So you have the English challenge coming up on Friday at 6. So try doing the challenge, all of you, on Friday, and let me know how much each one of you get in that one. And if you guys have not done the verbal challenge, what I posted posted day before yesterday, try doing that again for me. When is creative writing? Rishik, I'll try doing creative writing on a Saturday morning because I don't have any tuition this weekend. So we can do it on a Saturday at 12 if you guys don't have any tuition or anything on Fridays, Saturdays, all of you. So we can do it creative writing on Saturday this week on 12 o'clock. Because ALT is off for 2 weeks. So we can do that this Saturday. So I'll see you guys on Saturday at 12 then. Try coming on Saturday for me, all of you. When are you going to Bromley? Pankri, not now. We're going on the 19th. So we have 2 more weeks. So bye everyone. Thanks for coming today live, and try doing the challenges if you have not, and try posting your answers, your marks in the challenges. I can only see Preet has done that. Katie always says he gets full marks. So try be telling me your actual marks, all of you. And I'll see you guys back on Saturday now. Bye everyone.